Back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to share how will be the month of June, career-wise, finances-wise, money-wise, and health-wise. What are things that you need to take care of? Along with that, I'm going to take one guidance card also for you. This particular prediction is based on the zodiac sign on the basis of the date of birth. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So let's first start with the Aries zodiac sign. So the first card it seems here is that this is a month when it comes to the love relationship. Then this is a time where you will be able to get the reality, the real face of someone in the love relationship. It has been noticed since long you were an illusion, and there are a lot of new things which you are going to get to know about this person in this particular month. It also seems like there is a lot of fire element being shown. It seems like that you may feel detached from your partner, or you may feel like you emotionally or physically your partner is not understanding, due to which you may face problem in your love relationship also. My only guidance to you in this particular month is that avoid taking any impulsive decisions during this time. When it comes to your relationship with your colleagues, friends, or relatives, there is a very high possibility this is a month where somebody is going to approach you for the help, but personally you don't like this person, but it has been suggested that you should help him because helping others will help you out to grow in your life. Gradually and slowly, or you will start working with this person and you will started observing that this person has a great heart. So if you will help your friend, relatives, you will be observing that you are going to get a great opportunity out. Career wise, it seems like that this is a month where you are going to get an opportunity to present your idea or to present in front of someone. But make sure before presenting, you have to practice it, you have to add on more knowledge and skill, and make sure that whenever you're presenting your idea in front of someone, make sure you're presenting it much in a logical way. Then only you will be able to win. This card also shows that this is a time where you will be able, if you're looking to get a change in your career, then there is a very high possibility that change is going to happen, and that particular change will not be exactly the way you want, but change is going to happen. It seems like that if you're struggling in your career, then if you're going to take help from any of your colleague or any of your past friend or childhood friend, that can also help you out to see the improvement in your career. So overall guidance which has been noticed in your career is that it is a time to come out of your comfort zone. It is a time to add on new skills, to add on new knowledge to, and start whatever you are presenting. And whenever you are going for an interview or whenever you are presenting yourself to someone, make sure that before presenting you have to practice it, you have to become perfect in it, and then present it. You will see that you are finances wise, it has been noticed that this is a month where you are going to get a lot of pressure when it comes to the finances. Maybe because of the expenses, maybe because of the sudden expenses which you were not expecting in this particular month. But this is a time, it has also been noticed that if you are going to see the positive side of your life, if you are going to become more positive when it comes to the finances, and you started believing that you are a money magnet, then this is a time, if you are going to put more hard work, then there is a very high possibility that your income is going to increase. If your promotion is due, there is a very high possibility you are going to get promoted this particular time. And if you're looking for an approval for any project, or you're looking for multiple financial opportunity, then there is a very high possibility you're going to get the financial opportunity. But this particular card shows you a clear message that you need to be very positive when it comes to the month of the June. Start saying this affirmation in your own self that I am a money magnet and money comes to me easily, and comment the same in the comment section to affirm this particular energy. It seems like that there is a very high possibility, if any project which is pending since long and you want that project to be approved, or is there any opportunity which you are working since long, then this is a time that your hard work will start paying off, and gradually and slowly your hard work will start paying on, and there will be the increase in the income too. Comment in the session that I'm a money magnet. Health wise, it seems like that in the starting of the month you will be stressed and you will overthink a lot, and it seems like that will be a self-made limitations or self-made limiting beliefs that will give you more pressure, due to which you overthink a lot. You may think about your past also, but this particular card suggests that this is a time that in the third week of June you will be in peace, you will be in ease, and you will be able to overcome your past healing too. This is a time where you need to focus a lot on your mental health, and especially related to the eyes, bones, and ENT related problem. To overcome the challenges in the month of the June, make sure that you are writing all your problems with a red color pen, and you have to burn the same in the candle. Do this continuously for this month. Gradually and slowly you are going to observe that mental health wise you will be at a much better place, and things will started improving in your favor. To affirm this particular energy, make sure that you are writing in the comment that I am blessed, I am, and I'm happy. When it comes to the love relationship, this is a month where if you are single, then there is a very high possibility in the mid of the month you are going to meet someone. So the discussion is going to start on the related to the career or related to the work, but gradually and slowly you are going to notice that the relationship with this person is going to improve in the positive way. But when it comes to the person and the Taurus zodiac sign people who are already in the love relationship, so there may be some type of differences, or the thoughts will not match, or it seems like that you will not able to express yourself openly to your partner because of some reason. Anyhow, you're very stubborn and you're very good at hiding your emotions. But this is a time which shows that this is a time you should open up with your partner, because if you are not going to share your thoughts, you are not going to share your feelings with your partner, then how they are going to understand you. So it is a time where you feel like more isolated, depressed, anxiety, and more into your own world. You will not able to express your feelings to the loved one, that you keep on burning yourself inside you. But my guidance to you here is that come to the solution. Try to share your emotions, try to share your feelings with your partner, so that he can understand you and things can start becoming better for you. So this is a time where the karma is going to pay off, and it seems like that you are going to go through the transformation phase. So I take the transformation phase very positively. So this card shows that this is a time where you will be get to know the reality of your loved one, or the thing that you have done in the past, that things can come up in front of you in the month of the June. So this is a transformation phase for the love relationship. It has been noticed for the relationship with your siblings or the colleagues. There is a very high possibility in this month any of your colleagues or relatives may come up with you, tell you some news which will be surprise for you in the first, but gradually and slowly, because of that particular news, you are going to observe that the relationship with this person is going to improve gradually and slowly, and you will be able to understand this colleague or friends or your sibling. Career wise, it seems like that this particular month you are going to work with someone in your office. In the starting you will not like this particular person, which you may not feel good inside working with this person, but gradually and slowly it has been noticed that you will be able to understand this person better, and you are going to gain a lot of good new knowledge and wisdom from this person, and it is going to help you out to maintain a good relationship with this person. It seems like gradually and slowly your relationship with this person is going to improve. This is a time where you are going to get a lot of responsibility at your workplace. There will be a lot of work which you have to do, but this time this card shows that you need to bring more balance also in your work life and your personal life too. So you should take rest, relax, and then work, and you should balance your personal wise life. It seems like a good month for you. There is a very high possibility there will be the add-on in their income. Maybe you're going to get a second job, or you're going to get the extra work with your hobby or with your passion. You will be started earning during this time. It has been noticed that the stress which was there in the last one related to the money, that is going to ease, that is going to be lighter in this particular month, and there is a very high possibility that you are going to get to earn extra income during this time. It also seems like that you need to keep an eye on your expenses. Income will be more, but seems like that there will be sudden expenses which is going to come during this time. But seems like that the finances wise and the money wise, this is a month where you are going to earn the extra money. This particular month doesn't seems like so great. It seems like that emotionally you are going to feel a lot of ups and downs. There is more overthinking, stress in your mind, and it seems like that without any reason or with some reason you are going to put a lot of pressure in your head. But my suggestion to you is that start expressing yourself to the universe, start writing down and burn the same in the candle. If you can't share your emotions and the feelings with someone, then it is a time to share with someone, to the universe only, because it seems like that emotions wise and the mental health wise it is not so great time. Even health wise also doesn't say the things doesn't seem so great. You need to take care of your health. Don't take your health for granted. Major health related problem which you may face during this time is that hormonal disbalance, digestive related issues, eyes related problem, as well as a bones related problem. You may feel a body pain also. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are writing down, you're expressing your thoughts to the universe, and keep on burning, keep on sharing your thoughts to the universe. It will be going to help you out. It will be going to help you out to balance your mental health. If this particular energy is resonating with you and you want to affirm this energy, then make sure that you have to say a very positive affirmation in the comment section, that I am worthy and I am loved by all. If you like this particular readings, then share this